look. Buy clothes that you like. It's supposed to be tie-dye, but it's giving more like cow prints. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. The time that I'm recording this, I haven't, uploaded a video in over 2 months. So, but we're just gonna skip past that. So those past 2 months, I have accumulated a little bit of a problem of clothes that I've bought. On my Instagram story, which you guys should follow, and like my private Instagram that people don't see, but like my friends, I have shown like hauls of stuff that I have bought. I just bought more clothes 2 days ago, but hey, we have a problem. The first step to fixing it is acknowledging it, but they're cute. It's a cute problem. So let me just show y'all the material, okay? It's the way that this isn't even like all of it. This isn't all of it. All of this clothes I have bought because I know that summer is coming up and I really want to, how do I say, I wanted to uplift my closet. I feel like all the clothes that I had it for years and I just weren't putting them to good use. Like I just wasn't wearing them to wear them. It's just, I wasn't styling them correctly, and now I have some perfect things to put together that I'll be able to style correctly, alright? And my Instagram is gonna be popping. You guys should already look at it because it's been going off. So let me actually start with what I have on right now, okay? I guess I'll just start with like the blush mark stuff. So all my stuff came from, I got 2 pieces from ASOS. I got a few pieces from Blush Mark. Most of them is from Shein and Shein and Romwe. I did buy some shoes, I did buy some accessories. I got 2 shoes I got Air Forces and I got like these Nike like sandals. They look really cute, they're really funny, they're really, poppin'. I've been really like using Pinterest as my storyboard. As you guys know, I love my Pinterest. And like Instagram in general, like I just really love the new colors that are coming through. So let me just show you what I got on now, then we can, pop over to the other stuff. Alrighty. For this one, it's a romper. If y'all can't see, but it's a romper. I don't really wear rompers like this because I have a very straight body. I don't really have curves. I don't got that. But this is really cute. I wouldn't wear this just like this though. I like to get fits that I'm able to dress up and I'm able to layer and add stuff onto. This is pretty, basic. But let me show you what I would do. So I bought this, right? This is from Blush Mark. These 2 are from Blush Mark. I had an idea with this. I was going to buy it bigger. This is actually a small. It's already humongous on me. Here's the idea, okay? Here's the idea. Let me just throw this on, not mess up my makeup. I feel like, it looks kind of crazy right now. It looks kind of wild, but listen to me, right? I feel like even with this type of top, you can get like one of those cutout sweaters where it's literally just the sleeves and then like everything else is cut out. I think that would look really good with this, but I don't have one of those because I don't think I would actually wear it. So this looks kind of, bummy. But you know what I'm going for? We're coming for our queen, our princess, a Princess Diana fit, okay? Princess Diana had these outfits where she would wear like biker shorts and like a sweater on top of it, and she looked really cute, really fabulous, and she had like these glasses and she was doing her thing. Yeah, this is giving. To me, this is giving. Like, I might just take a photo with this like right now. This is really giving to me. She's giving, babe. She's giving. Okay, if the color looks like it's changed, it's because I changed the setting on my camera because it's looking a little weird. But why do I look green? Okay, so this looks humongous on me, but I bought it, like, actually, if you guys could see like the full length of it, it looks crazy. This is an extra small. Okay, we're gonna pan down. Can you see what it's giving? It has the biker shorts underneath. So what I was thinking, once again, go ahead and take your hair tie. Listen, I would take this and be like, all right, babes, outfit, booty. But I really like the bigness of this because it's giving me Billie Eilish vibes. So what I would do, I would get a belt. I don't have a belt with me right now, but I'll get a belt or like something to hold back the back of this. I would just wear this as a dress because like it's already Like it's actually almost to my knees. Do your knees hang low? No. Anyways, okay, so I bought, don't worry, I still have my jumper on underneath. Bought these pants, right? And I don't know what TikTok's doing because apparently skinny jeans are out, and I kind of refuse to believe that because I love my skinny jeans. So I'm gonna wear what I want. But I said, let me embrace like whatever TikTok's saying. And I didn't want to go thrift shopping because like the stores that I have around me, they're not popping, they're not kicking, they're not vibing, they're not like, you know, what I want them to give. So I went to Walmart and I bought men's jeans, and I don't want to hear it. Everybody's gonna be like, what are you talking about? Like that you're stupid, you're dumb. So I know this looks kind of wild, but I'm telling you, and then look, don't look at my toes, don't look at my toes, but if you put on some Air Forces with these, I'm telling you, it's a whole different type of story. Boom. You're giving artsy, you're giving I'm walking down Toronto, you're giving no butt. I mean, it's giving no butt, but it's okay. I really like this actually. Oh my god, like a little 90s look. I was just trying to be like, hey guys, you can wear it with this. Guess what? You can wear it with this. It looks cute. I like it a lot. I feel like I'm popping off of like, what's it called? Like Prince of Bel-Air. Like I'm about to be like, hey William. Hey Will. Who's William? Hey Will Smith. Anyways. Okay. So I was about to change out of this, but then I was like, guys, this is cute too. I'm telling you that I just love buying basic stuff and putting them together. I had like a different top to go like this. Let's go with this. I love this. I really am in love with this outfit. I'm in love with this top. So this top is from Shein. Air Forces. I don't care. Don't look at my feet, but Air Forces, okay? This is what I would wear this with. I love this outfit because I feel like I have pictures. It's a little bit showy, my stomach's a little bit out, oh my god, what? But I feel so cute in this. Buy clothes that you like. And don't care what nobody says, because this is actually the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love this. Okay. So then there's this. I loved it when I got it, but now that I'm looking at it, it kind of makes me look like a cow. It's like the pattern, it's supposed to be tie-dye, but it's giving more like cow prints. Let me try ruching it a little bit more. How I like it. I don't really like, it's giving cow. It's giving cow. It was cute. Maybe if I fix it up. I don't really know how I would fix this up. This is from Blushmark. Blushmark is a great site from like the two things that you guys have seen before, but I don't think I would shop there again just because one, it took over a month for me to get these packages when they promised a week delivery, and I'm like, y'all know that you're in America, right? And they said yes, a week. It came in 4 weeks, and I had to email them about it, and then they sent it. So I don't know where I'm wearing this to. Everybody taking me out anytime soon, so I don't know. Next outfit. So Shein, Aliexpress. I got these jeans from Aliexpress for like $17, 20 something dollars. One of my favorite purchases. I love that they're leather. I don't know. Okay, and this is the last outfit. I have been recording this for the past 2 hours and I'm exhausted, but this is the last one. We have the same Walmart men's jeans as we saw before. This top is from Amazon. It's like a corset, but you can literally find this Shein, Romwe, xoxo, Princess Polly. You can find this top legitimately everywhere, but I bought it from Amazon. I would wear it without the top underneath, but I don't want to get kicked out of my house, so I'm wearing this top underneath it. But I think it's still really cute. Maybe some boots. Boots would look really nice with this. With like a cute little bag, like a fuzzy bag. I think we're going with the fuzzy bag. Like I'm just saying, like it's really cute. I like the contrast of the white on the brown. It's, oh my god, this is giving me, okay, first I would just tuck the white in. You can wear this with some skinny jeans. I don't care what you said TikTok, or wearing skinny jeans, I don't care. A little 360. little Barbie doll moment. I do have other outfits that I was gonna show, but I did show them on my Instagram, so if you want to see those, they're in my reels, you know, at Angelica Storms. Follow me while you're there, you know the vibes. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I'll probably maybe do a second video about the accessories that I bought, or I'll just do that on Instagram. So I hope you guys liked this video. I sure did. I love you guys so much. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Pull my post notifications so you know when I'm going to post. Have a fantabulous, wonderful, amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something better.